बाहर तो आए सारे पतवंते सजना दा मैं हार्दिक तहे दिल ना स्वागत करना और मनु माफ़ करना कि मैं आज कुछ अंग्रेज़ी इसलिए बोलना पड़ेगा क्योंकि कुछ दोस्त यार जड़े आए ने कैनेडियन तो उन्होंने पंजाबी समझ नहीं आनी और मकसद सादा होएगा कि पंजाबी सिखाइए ज़रूर उन्होंने पर इट टेक अ लिटिल मोर टाइम. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you here, and this has been a historic moment as we are doing a second biannual conference of World Punjabi Conference here. We did a 2 days session in Toronto, and this is the final session here in Ottawa. And we are very, very honored that a couple of my friends, Deepak Oberoi, Yasser Naqvi, Mr. Doug Lang from RCMP, and Dr. Runtif, the Vice Chancellor of Carleton University, she's here with us, and it's a big, big moment for us. And on this occasion, we decided to honor 3 prominent Punjabis of Ottawa who have made a significant contribution in the community here. And their names will be read out in a short moment by the 2 ladies here. But I wanted to extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you here. And we'll be releasing 3 books also here today. We couldn't get a time inside because the poets and the speakers, there were so many of them that we had to cut short on the time. But we'll be releasing the 3 books here. And this gentleman is telling me that his book is the 4th one, so we'll be releasing 4 books today here. So my apologies, my apologies. But I'll invite the ladies back again on the stage to carry on with the function and start honoring the people, and then we'll move on for the book release function. Thank you so much.